Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back. So for today's video, y'all know by the title, we're gonna get into some more ShopMissa. Let's do it. Alright you guys, so I have become addicted to ShopMissa, Bath & Body Works, ShopMissa, Bath & Body Works. I don't know what's going on. So if you don't know, ShopMissa launched some more of their brand new Buttercream eyeshadows, which are creams, obviously. They launched some neon shades as well as metallics. I have pretty much all of them with the exception of a few. They are all only $1. And so with this launch, I was really intrigued. So we are going to, I'm going to show them to you, and then I'm also going to swatch them for you guys as well. Now, when they first launched these, I didn't pick any of them up, but for some reason, these metallics really drew me in. So I had to grab them. So I've already opened my bag just to make sure that everything was here. So before we get into the cream shadows, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything else that I picked up. Now, I didn't really need anything. As you guys know, I have done a few ShopMissa videos recently, which I will link up here for you if you haven't seen them. So I just kind of got some random things that I thought were cute or that I knew I would use. So first thing is first, this has been out for a couple of months now. This is the AOA Blender Vault. And if you guys don't know, I do love the ShopMissa sponges. I think they are amazing quality. And I think it is so cool that you get so many different sponges in this kit. You get a total of 7 sponges in this kit. This is under $8. And if you were to purchase this, like say by Beauty Blender, Juno & Co., even e.l.f., it would be a lot more expensive than what this is now. I'll have the price inserted here. So this is the Blender Vault, again, by AOA Studio. It does include the AOA OG, which is this guy right here, I believe. It also has their newer sponges, the Silly Dip, which is super soft for a flawless finish, absorbs less makeup and germs, and then it has the silicone infused technology, which is this guy right here. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but one is like a different shade of green. It's a little bit darker on the top and lighter on the bottom. You also get the little mini Moochie sponges. These are so cute. They're good for the under eyes, you know, inner crevices right here, like by the nose and things that you can't get into. I see that one is a teardrop shape and then one has a flatter side. So you also get one of their microfiber sponges, which is, if you don't know, those are amazing because right here it says it absorbs 70% less product. It is velvety, ultra soft bristles for an airbrush finish. So if you're using something like what I'm wearing today, like a tinted moisturizer, it's going to give you better coverage. And that is totally true. I can attest to that. I have one of their microfiber sponges here. It soaks up a lot less product than one of their regular sponges. So you also get the Super Soft OG, which is this pink guy right here. I think this one's actually a little bit pinker than the lighter pink one. They're back there, but you guys have seen me use them 100 times. So then you also get the Mochi, which is a firm but soft feel bouncy blur finish, which is this guy right here. And I just love all the different colors. So if you are a big sponge fan, this is a great kit. Even a great gift for somebody just getting into makeup. Alright, so you guys know that I also enjoy their inexpensive jewelry from time to time. I have a ton of ShopMissa jewelry. I'm actually wearing a pair of their earrings today. This would have been in my last haul. And these are just cute little rhinestone heart hoops. I love them. So I also picked up 2 of these bracelets, and they're just like gold and like a more pewter color, and they have little butterflies on them. They're just really cute. I thought I could wear these separate as well as layer them and they would still look really cute. As far as I know, when I looked on the website yesterday, these were still available. So really cute. And of course, it's only $1. So, also picked up just some regular hoops, guys. They had multi-packs of hoops. So generally I stay stocked up on their hoops because they wear out quite quickly, especially if you wear a lot of makeup like I do. You know, you're constantly getting them dirty, so they have to be cleaned, and they're just cheap hoops. So I always stock up on them. I did get the gold multi-pack, and it's just got like medium to large, and then I also got the silver pack, which is the same thing. They're a great place to buy hoops at, and generally you can get a pack of either 6 or 8 pairs of hoops, so that is an amazing deal at only $1. So the next thing that I picked up was this really cute chain link heart necklace. Kind of reminds me of Tiffany & Co, but obviously it's only $1. So, but yeah, I thought this was really cute. I finally found it in silver, and last time I had to pick it up in gold. Now this does have cute little rhinestones on it, if you can see that. Focus. Focus, baby, focus. So it's just a cute little heart toggle bracelet, or necklace. All right. Also picked up another pair of these hoops, and they just have a little bit of texture on them. Again, I love getting my hoops there, and these are just a little bit different. They kind of have a little bit of like a rope kind of texture. So also picked up, and they had some more heart hoop earrings, and I was really excited to see these. And these, as of today, when I'm filming this, mid-May, it's still available. I could not believe these were not sold out. These are so adorable. They have nice weight to them, and I did pick up both silver and gold. To me, these do not look like a pair of dollar earrings, and they definitely don't feel like it. So just super cute. Been on a butterfly and a heart kick this year. So, and then I also noticed that they came up with these mini makeup spatulas, and I love my lip mask, but I get tired of dipping my fingers in there because of my nails. So now, when I go to do my lip mask treatment, my favorite from Makeup Revolution, that is a dupe for the Laneige lip mask, I have both vanilla and berry. My point is I don't have to dip my fingernail in there anymore. I can use the spatula. Now the spatula was, oh, it is $1, so that's really cool. You can also use this for eye creams, cleansing balms, anything that you like. I'm gonna use it for my lip mask. So if you guys watched my last video, then you definitely know that I love the new razors. So I definitely had to stock up on another pack of these refills. I do use the men's razor because they are 6 blade. It just gives you a closer shave. Guys, I still have not been cut by this razor, and sometimes I go quite fast. No razor burn, no nothing. Great deal when you get the kit, and then if you razor refills, I always buy the 4-pack if I'm gonna get refills, and so I'm pretty stocked for a while. Another thing that I always stock up on from ShopMissa is their brushes. So I picked up 2 of the AOA Studio E122. I just like these for doing detail work on the lid. So I got 2 of those. I also forgot that I already had some nail files, but I saw that they had their square nail file. These are pretty decent quality for only $1. So I picked up 3 of these. You guys know that I do my nails here at home. These are really heavy duty quality emery boards, so I really, really like these. They also launched some new cuticle oils. So I picked mine up in, let's see, it's the Nail and Cuticle Repair Oil Pen in Strawberry. They have a bunch of different flavors like they have in the, it's like a skin balm, I think. You can use it for your lips, dry spots, and things like that. And here is what it looks like. It's really cute. Cannot wait to use that. And I just use my cuticle oils and stuff up here on my beauty space where I get ready, and or you can leave it in the bathroom. You can put this in your purse, you know, by your comfort place where you hang out in the living room, whatever. Just put it on and throw it, you know, toss it, be done. So the next product that I picked up were these facial mask brush. I love using these not only for face mask, but for my moisturizers, my cleansing balms, all kinds of stuff. So I did pick up 2, that way I can use 2 of them for 2 different products. It's So again, these were only $1. Now, moving on to the reason that I could not wait to do this haul. I did pick up several of these little guys right here. I'm going to go off camera and open these really quickly. And we're going to get into swatches, telling you about the shades, the formula, and all of that. All right, you guys. So I did wind up picking up four of the neon shades. This is the yellow right here. And this one is called Disco. I've already swatched this one. You guys, these are really creamy. I'm really surprised by that. There's no like weird smell to them or anything, and what I like is that each one is wrapped with cellophane, like this little guy right here. And then they're also sealed when you open them, so that is cool. Now I accidentally jabbed my knife in that one. It was an accident, stuff happens. But we're gonna go ahead and swatch the last 3 neon that I picked up. And I picked up the orange in Energetic, which is this guy right here. This is Energetic. This is the Energetic one. I did swatch this with a brush. Really smooth and creamy. Really easy to use. I would say that these would make amazing eyeliners as well, which is what I believe they market them as. So eyeshadows, eyeliners, pretty much whatever you want to get creative and do with them. They come off very easily with micellar water. So I did accidentally pick up 2 of the metallic 2 extra ones, and I got the shades Elegance, which is a pretty metallic gold, and then I also got an extra Extravaganza, which is a pretty metallic green. So these are going to go in a giveaway. Guys, we do still have the giveaway going on with the Amoris Dazzle Charm palette, I believe, and then I also threw in a bunch of masks and some extras like their lip products. These will be going in there. I don't remember what else is in that box, but the box is over full, so make sure that you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I will pick the giveaway winner the very last day of May, so stay tuned for that, and good luck. All right, back to the swatches. So this is the Neon Buttercream in Ambition, which is a beautiful red. You guys are gonna hear the goats. Unfortunately, they're in the front yard right now, so I apologize for that. Well, some of them are in the front yard. You guys, look how nicely that picks up on a brush. And this is just a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Again, really creamy. This is Ambition. I will tell you guys, with these, a little bit goes a very long way. Yeah, I'm still trying to get this off of the brush, so I'm gonna try a finger swatch. I'm doing Ambition. The reason I'm not swatching these with my fingers is because I don't want that to happen like that with my nail. But they swatch beautifully with a finger as well. As soon as I get this out of my nail, I'll be right back. Here's the shade Enthusiastic. That is the neon green. Very pretty. Next one is Extravaganza. This is the metallic green. Next to that, I have Love Story. All right, you guys, so my camera shut off. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly go through the rest of these. Here we have the shade Glamour, which is this top kind of silvery color, very, very beautiful. This very bottom one here is called Elegance. Very, very pretty, like light orange metallic. It's kind of got a yellow vibe to it. These metallics are gorgeous. This shade here is called Luxury OMG. Gorgeous, you guys. These are beautiful. If I didn't buy these myself and know that they were $1, I would not think that these were $1 cream shadows. It's crazy. ShopMissa, you doing it. You doing it. We got one more, you guys. Just one more. So the last and final one is called Flirtatious. This is Flirtatious. I'm just using that AOA E122. And I am doing like 2 swatches with these. This is Flirtatious. Stunning. All right, you guys, that is it for my ShopMissa haul. I want to thank you guys as always for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. You guys know I love you so much. I love you to the moon and back, around and again and again. If you are new here, or what is up, my name is Tash. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope if you guys enjoyed today's video, you'll give it a big thumbs up. It's just one of those free ways that you can help out and support the channel. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. I want to know, what was your favorite product from this haul? Bye, guys.